knows our conference line? 1712-432-1100, then 123-253 and pound sign and 1. So if you get on the conference line, then what we can do is we can have a conference line going on also. So when you are doing the dhun, you can join on the conference line and at least you can hear somebody else also listening the dhun. That's a good idea. And the conference line will be on, we have two conference lines, right? So Phalguni is here. So if we have other things going on during the morning and other thing, those who are picking up those hours, 8 to 9 in the morning, do you want to have that conference line and this thing going on, okay? Or can we give you another conference line maybe? I think it is okay to use the same conference line, Otherwise it would be confusing, So even though we have other program going on the conference line, at that time, your dhun will be silent. Our program will be active. But when the program is over, then your dhun will be active, Let's do that way. So now, I don't know the rule of conference line that it can be on all the time. Oh, okay. This will be a long conference. Huh? Yeah. Well, let's see. Conference wala nu bhi kalyan. This conference line company is gaining a lot of spirituality. They are getting a lot of deeds, We pray for them too, they are giving us this nice arrangement, Okay, so those are the things that we want to really focus on. We want to really, for our own inner journey, We want to do this for our own inner peace, our own tranquility. We want to do dhun for our own spirituality, for our own progress, our own happiness. And in the dhun we can pick up different varieties of topics like we talked, And we want to bank upon this nice opportunity. We are going to have 3 big ceremonies. Right now in India, in Powai, Kakaji's birthday celebration is going on. And on the 16th, which is next Saturday, we would have Murti Pratishtha in Waukegan Mandir at 2 o'clock. And in India, Aurangabad, there is a big celebration of Murti Pratishtha also. And right now, the whole Aurangabad Mandal is doing 24-hour dhun there for last 2 weeks, and they are going to continue, Yeah. Here, we were doing dhun, in the evening at the Aarti time, we do dhun for about an hour, But not everybody gets the chance to participate. But this would give everybody a chance to participate. So it is all nice, and let's hope that wherever we are, we go to the higher level. Whatever is our capacity, let divinity help us in going higher and higher. Our goal is to become level 4 Brahmrup. And everybody knows 5 levels? Emily, you know 5 levels? Melanie is not telling you? Not yet. But there is one level which is called soul. All souls in the earth. And they have their limited capacity. Then the angels, that they have a higher capacity, Then the third level is the illusion, which keeps the first and second entity within this thing. Don't let it go to the 4th level, And 4th level is called Brahma or highest spiritual level, you know. And above that is the fifth level, is only one God, you know. Cannot be any more, you know, just one entity, you know. We cannot become God, you know, but we can become His divine, humblest of the humble son, or devotee, or disciple, or follower, or whatever we, you know, like, or brother, or sister, you know. So that is our goal, you know. So we want to have this thing in our day-to-day practice, and when we practice this thing, it would become easier. And then we would see the difference between old us and new us. Saras. Jai Swaminarayan beta. Jai Swaminarayan Baba. Sajanand Swami Maharaj ni Jai.